Dive into a delightful exploration into the realm of cooking, where the threads of culinary creativity, technique, and the transformative power of gastronomic artistry converge to shape a narrative that delves into the complexities of crafting delicious meals within the broader context of culinary excellence. Join this exploration guided by the diverse voices of chefs, culinary experts, food enthusiasts, and cultural observers as we unravel the intricate connections between individual cooking styles, societal influences, and the profound impact of the culinary arts on reshaping our understanding of the intricate tapestry of gastronomic delights. Immerse yourself in the tapestry of cooking. Initiate this exploration by immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of cooking, where the study of culinary craft becomes a lens through which to understand the intricate interplay between individual skills, societal influences, and the ways in which people collectively navigate and are influenced by the world of flavors. Unravel the complexities of how cooking styles are shaped by cultural perspectives, culinary traditions, and societal norms, forming a dynamic and ever-evolving journey within diverse local and global culinary contexts. The enlightening journey unfolds, depicting a universe where cooking forms the foundation for comprehending the intricate tapestry of human flavor appreciation, cultural diversity, and the societal implications surrounding the creation of culinary experiences. Engage in the exploration of cooking dynamics and societal constructs. At the core of this gastronomic odyssey lies the engagement in the exploration of cooking dynamics and societal constructs. Scholars delve into the ways in which culinary craft and societal norms interact, examining the intricate interplay between cultural influences, culinary traditions, and the transformative potential of understanding the dynamics of society within the realm of cooking. The insightful exploration synthesizes perspectives on how cooking informs the understanding of societal expectations, shapes culinary landscapes, and contributes to the transformative potential of interpreting human experiences through the lens of gastronomic paradigms. Navigate the culinary landscape of cultural influences and culinary norms. Enter the nuanced landscape of cultural influences and culinary norms within the realm of cooking, exploring profound insights into the ways in which culinary endeavors influence and are influenced by the broader social and cultural context. Contemplate the impact of historical culinary movements, cultural diversity, and the negotiation of societal values on the development of cooking styles, offering a rich tapestry of sociological and culinary processes that have shaped the course of human flavor appreciation. Witness the interconnectedness of cooking processes, social constructs, and human connection. The exploration encompasses witnessing the interconnectedness of cooking processes, social constructs, and human connection, delving into how dynamic processes within cooking influence and are influenced by the broader spectrum of sociological theory. Scholars unravel tales of how cooking today is entwined with the broader spectrum of societal influences, impacting not only individual taste experiences but also the narratives and discourses that define the evolving culinary and societal landscape. Participate in advocacy for culinary appreciation and home cooking. As culinary scholars navigate this landscape, they actively participate in advocacy for culinary appreciation and the celebration of home cooking, unraveling tales of how the study of cooking informs efforts to appreciate the significance of culinary experiences, challenge assumptions about flavor preferences, and contribute to the ongoing pursuit of a world where individuals and societies acknowledge the profound impact of cooking dynamics. The transformative journey unfolds, depicting the adaptation of cooking insights to inform decision-making, shape societal norms, and foster an environment that values the importance of culinary appreciation and home cooking within diverse global contexts. Engross yourself in gastronomic resonance and the quest for sociological harmony in cooking. Engross yourself in gastronomic resonance and the quest for sociological harmony in the realm of cooking. Scholars unravel tales of how the study of cooking contributes to the cultivation of culinary expression, sociological harmony, and the fostering of a deep understanding of the perennial questions that shape human thought through the lens of culinary craftsmanship and societal interconnections. The transformative dance of culinary exploration, sociological symbolism, and the continuous quest for unraveling the mysteries that define the human experience within the context of cooking unfolds,